Creating recurring tasks on Monday.com is a great way to automate repetitive activities and ensure that important tasks are not forgotten. Here's how you can set up recurring tasks. Log into Monday.com. Open your browser, go to Monday.com and log in with your credentials. Open the relevant board. Navigate to the board where you want to create the recurring tasks. This board should be related to the project or workflow that requires regular tasks. Add a new task. Create a task as you normally would by clicking the plus add button at the bottom of a group or using the new item option. Set up automations. Click on automations in the top menu of your board. This will open the automation center. Select the recurring tasks option or use the search bar to find the automation. You can choose pre-made recipes like every time period, create an item. Configure the recurrence. Customize the automation settings by specifying the task details such as the name, due date, and any other necessary columns. Set the frequency and time when you want the task to recur. Activate the automation. Click Add to Board or Save to activate the recurring task automation. The task will now be automatically created based on your specific schedule.